welcome. This is WAEC past question, literature in English, year 2019. Question number 30. Question number 30 says the first stanza rhyme is dash. A, we have A, B, A, C. B, A, B, A, B. C, A, B, C, B. Then D, A, B, B, A. If we look at the first stanza of the poem, the last word in line 1 is U. Then let us give A, alphabet A to U. We have the last word in line 2 is bet. Let us give B to that. Then the last letter in line 3 is dimmed. Then let us have C for dimmed. Then the last word in line 4 is health. So if you look at health and bet sound alike, then we have B in line 2, which is bet. Then we also give B to line 4, which is health. Then if we now come to our option, it means that we have A, B, C, B. A, B, C, B. Therefore, our correct answer is C. Thank you and God bless you.